Visual.
What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. I am Ashley T Visuals, aka Sheology. If you haven't already, hit that like button and subscribe. Welcome to the channel if this is your first time. So today I'm going to use the Burnt Hues expansion. I'm gonna cook up a beat. I'm going to try to use, maybe let's do this in like 15 minutes, right? I already got some sounds loaded in. I got the Glitch Soul kit loaded in here from Burnt Hues. Also have Distant Hues loaded, Real, Dirty Pews, and Bubbly. So yeah, let's get into it. It's 7:57 right now. So boom. Still fed. We're gonna use that. Alright, so I got the main melody out the way. Let's see what else. So I didn't think to really load up any hi-hats, so we're going to use what we have. Let's try that. Sorry if I'm not talking much. I'm trying to beat the time. Ooh, we got 10 minutes left. So I added that in there and it came out like... Basically, I'll leave a snippet of the beat at the end of the video. So you know, I've been trying to do these expansion pack videos because when I first started using Maschine and MPC, I was just buying expansion packs, and I'm like, yo, it gets expensive, but I feel like Native Instruments, for what you get out of the pack, they do offer you a lot, right? And then they also offer the VST, which is like the Burnt Hues came with stacks, which is the instrument. And I'm not too big on those because a lot of the time they sound the same to me. So, with that being said, sometimes I'll try to chop up the loops that come in the expansion pack, reverse it, put my own flavor on it, resample it back. Sometimes I do that. Yeah, but you can make a dope beat out of just the expansion packs alone. So, yeah, let me know what you think. Leave your thoughts in the comments. And yeah, again, thank you for tuning in. I appreciate you guys.